We're testing the theory that this Dairy Queen in Fort Colborne, Ontario, which has the old original sign that they just restored,
It's the oldest.
will make a blizzard with butter tarts if you bring them to them. Butter tarts?
I think this is the one here. It's with a score.
Oh, they're all different flavor butter tarts.
Yeah,
Interesting.
this is
Okay.
pecan. This is score. This is apple crumble.
Okay.
This is raisin, but they say don't eat the raisin.
Okay.
Get it out of there.
Yeah.
The raspberry coconut.
Raspberry coconut butter tart? I don't know how I feel about that.
Okay.
Okay.
You guys can go first.
So this is the setup video. And now we'll see.
Yeah, no, they was never going to play.
Other than that, I done it for yesterday, so this should be a good review for us to do. So,
We looked at it.
So,
Sure, we came
got
from 3
them
hours.
right. Got them right here.
alright.
Great.